Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain all of these buttons on your Xiaomi LED Desk Lamp 2. So these are touch buttons, and this one in the center is to turn the lamp on or off. And when it's on, you can adjust the color temperature with this slider. It's a touch slider. You can just make it warmer or make it cooler, just like that. Here you can adjust the brightness. You can turn it down or up. I'm gonna turn it down. Here is the reading mode. It will breathe a moment, then it will turn itself to reading mode. And here is focus mode. It will breathe multiple times, and then it'll turn itself into the focus mode. And now you can also disable it. Also at the back you may find this button, which I'm gonna show you. This right here, but you're not gonna use it too often. It's just to press it in, and you can take this top part out so you can easily store your lamp and put it back in. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.